Paid by salesvision. Woohoo!
I get paid by salesvision.
I got paid by salesvision.
I get 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 paid by salesvision.
I got paid by salesvision.
I got paid with this card.
I get paid by salesvision.
I got paid by salesvision.
I get paid by salesvision. Yeah.
I get paid by salesvision.
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 I also get paid by salesvision.
I 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 get paid with salesvision.
I get paid by 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 salesvision. I get paid by salesvision.
I got paid by salesvision.
I get paid by salesvision. It's free to register, free to start playing the games. If you want to take part in the $100 challenge, then you need to be at apprentice level, which is $7 per month. There are higher levels also, which enable you to earn more commission with SalesVision, should you choose to become an affiliate. But you can also use SalesVision to generate leads for any business, whatever online business you're in. You can use those leads in your other business as well. So SalesVision is more than just a digital platform of knowledge. What is up, guys and girls? It's Dan White here, it's coming to you from Thailand. So in the current state of fear and panic, a lot of you already out of work, so it shows us that there's no guarantee of jobs anymore. I mean, nobody is secure in the job, so it's never been a better time to make money online, guys. Where you can actually make money having fun, playing games and learning and earning online all at the same time. So go to globalinternetsuccess.com and sign up for a free account. Guys, just for signing up for a free account, you're going to get one of these SalesVision black cards loaded already with $1 for free just for signing up. So get on it, guys. It's free to register, free to start playing the games, but you can also use SalesVision to generate leads for any business, whatever online business you're in. You can use those leads in your other business as well. Have fun, earning money, learn communication skills, financial skills and digital marketing skills. You can get your black card for free. You've got $1 loads on it, you've got nothing to lose and sign up for free. Get this delivered to your door, in your post box, in your mailbox, wherever you live in the world. So get on it, guys. globalinternetsuccess.com. See you in the next video.